Financial advice is everywhere. It's confident, well meaning, and often wrong. Not because the advice itself is false, but because it assumes a world that does not exist. Most financial guidance is built for a hypothetical individual. Single income, one country, one bank account, predictable expenses, and linear goals. Real people live nothing like this. Advice assumes stability. Life delivers variability. Save 20% of your income. Keep 6 months of emergency funds. Invest monthly regardless of market conditions. These statements sound universal. They are not. An expat with income in one currency, expenses in another, and family obligations across borders does not experience money the same way a textbook assumes. A family managing multiple bank accounts, credit cards, loans, school fees, and aging parents does not make decisions in neat monthly cycles. Advice that ignores variability collapses the moment life deviates from plan. Context is not a detail, it is the system. Context includes geography and currency exposure, family structure and dependence, multiple income streams, multiple liabilities with different time horizons, cultural expectations around money, risk tolerance shaped by lived experience. Remove context and advice becomes noise. This is why two people can follow the same financial advice and end up in very different places. The advice did not adapt, the people did. Tools often repeat the same mistake. Many finance apps digitize generic advice instead of questioning it. They categorize transactions, show charts, and generate recommendations, but rarely ask whether those recommendations fit the user's reality. The result is a familiar pattern: initial enthusiasm, followed by quiet abandonment. When tools fail to reflect lived complexity, users stop trusting them. Families don't need more advice, they need better framing. Most families already know what they should do. What they lack is clarity on what matters now, what can wait, what trade-offs are acceptable, what risks are real versus theoretical. This is not a math problem, it is a framing problem. Good financial systems reduce decisions instead of multiplying them. They explain cause and effect instead of issuing commands. Why context changes everything. When advice respects context, goals feel achievable instead of abstract. Trade-offs feel intentional instead of painful. Progress becomes visible even when life is messy. Context turns advice into understanding. The direction we're exploring at Amifi. At Amifi, we believe financial systems should adapt to people, not the other way around. That means starting from real constraints, explaining why, not just what, supporting families, not idealized users, keeping decisions grounded in reality. This blog is where we explore these ideas in public, slowly and thoughtfully. Because money is not a checklist, it is a lived experience.